Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to use text-to-speech on Capcut. So the first step is to open your project, and then from here, ensure that nothing is selected and tap on text to audio. Under text to audio, you should see then a text box here. So just type in whatever it is that you want to be transformed into text to speech. So for example, you can type in a message, a note, whatever it is that you want. And then once you've finished typing in your text and you've customized it to your liking by changing the font, the color and everything, you want to tap on done and then tap on next. So once you've done that, you can see the audio has been successfully added onto your project. You can also see the text that I had just typed out earlier is right here. So again, you can move it around to your liking. It's up to you. If you want to customize the text further, you can just tap on this pencil icon and then add more text or less text. It's up to you. Then once you've done that, you can see the audio timeline right here. So now, whenever you play your video like this, you should be able to hear a voice. If you don't, then you need to go even further by choosing the voice you want it to narrate it in. So you want to tap on the audio, and then you want to select text to speech. And then from here, you can see different options to choose from. So I can tap on this one.
Hi, this is Tasji.
And then you can choose the narration, you can choose your character, and you can choose your language. And then once you've done all of that, tap on this check mark and then wait for it to generate the speech. Once the speech has been generated, you then want to tap on play.
Hi, this is Tasji.
And then you can be able to hear that I've successfully used text to speech on my Capcut project. You can always choose to customize this timeline for this audio by increasing it or decreasing it. It's up to you. And then once you've done that, you can now successfully save your video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.